Fabulous. Vinaya is on. Yes. Hi, Lalita.
Hi, sir.
Sumena, hi. Sumena, good evening. Shushma is switched on her camera. Vaidyanathan, great to have you. I hope others will also follow the suit and have the camera on. Okay, brilliant. So, hopefully, we will have a very active and interactive session today, and where we will all smile today. We all agree? We'll smile a bit today. We'll make this group active, right? So otherwise, then is that it becomes just slightly bit on the duller side. Okay. So can we all have a good, big, hearty smile? You don't have to, yeah? Can we all do that, Vaitishwaran? Yes? Okay. There you go. Okay, brilliant, brilliant. Okay, so before I start, can I also check with the other participants, Seema, Bhavya, what is the status on your camera, Vinaya, Shetty? Can you also, yes. Yeah, Bhavya. Bhavya Bhatt.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Do you have any network issue or? Okay, brilliant. Okay. Brilliant. Now you can go on mute. Why is that I'm getting echo? Okay, I'm hearing echo from her. Okay, how about Seema? Bhavya, go on mute now. I think you are there on something. Can everyone hear echo? Are you hearing echo? Yes. Okay. Bhavya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So put it, have you connected to speaker? How's the output coming from? Voice. How can you hearing my voice? Is it coming? If it's on the speaker, please have the speaker removed. Okay, and also please go on mute as well. Mute. Okay, brilliant. Okay.
Sir, your voice
Go on mute.
I'm sorry.
your voice.
Okay. Can we all do one thing? Can we log off and log in back? We log off and log in back. Rashmi, we are logging off and logging back.
Okay, sir.
Huh.
Brilliant. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So it was not one of our participants. Okay, so it was something to do with, it's all technology, it can happen. Okay, fine. Brilliant. So before I start, let's have a kind of a quick thing, what we covered so far, right? And then we will also, once I do that, we will get into the other stuff. So let me quickly share what we covered, kind of a quick revision here. And are you all able to see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we talked about this. This is functional English. We also said why functional English, because we are not covering the entire part. We are covering the speaking and the listening and speaking part. And then we had an introduction from everybody, right? So that we did. Apart from that, we played a game called Icebreaker, right? So there's no harm in repeating this game again. We can have some more icebreakers as well. So we will do that when we do the initial session. So this is also a kind of a task where you will be talking. So that is the practice itself, so that we can repeat it again. We can come up with some funny thing more. Then we had a kind of a preview of the training program as well. So we talked about, I showed you an Excel where it talked about what are the things which we are going to cover. So now currently we are in foundation. We are currently in foundation. So we are creating a kind of a foundation, a kind of a mindset for ourselves, right? So that's precisely what we are doing. So we covered all the topics which was there in the Excel. We talked about how we can create foundation, because when you have to talk, you have to have vocabulary. So that is precisely the word which we are talking. We are going to make a sentence of that. So that is one exercise, right? Then we also talked about this yesterday, I believe, importance of English in the corporate world, why it is important for you, what is the benefit, and all those things, right? And then another important thing is that we also talked about what's in it for me. So anyone might ask, what's the benefit for me? So we talked about the long-term, short-term, as well as the long-term benefit we spoke about. Now today what we would do is that we would cover something known as, do you think English in India is a foreign language anymore? So that is precisely what we are going to do today, right? So now I'll stop this screen sharing, and before we get in there, so what we will do is that, can we quickly go through the words which we took it as a task that you will make the sentence and come back? Have you all prepared? Lalita, what were the words which was given yesterday? Can you read all the words which was given for sentence making?
Okay, sir. Career, mindset, preview.
Brilliant, brilliant. So it is not, it is career.
Sorry, career.
Career. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. We are learning. Even I said, I thought it's career only. But after that, you come to know it is career. That's all fine. Okay, brilliant. Can you read your sentences which we have made for these words?
Yes, sir. I need to focus more on my career.
Fabulous. I need to focus more on my career. Fabulous, fabulous. Okay.
My mindset is different from yours.
Very good, very good. I think you have made all these things on your own. Brilliant, fantastic. Everybody think differently. Good one. Next.
Preview. I can't make a sentence for preview.
Okay. Can you think how you can make preview? I'll go to the other participant and come back to you.
Okay.
Okay. So preview is nothing but, preview is something before the actual event. Like a movie is coming, the preview of the movie, right? I knew, I got a glimpse of the preview what is going to happen. Meaning, suppose there was a problem, before you go there, no, you got a kind of a preview in your mind, or some problem is there. So you read, your mind has read that. So you can use that way as well, right? So those kind of a thing, right? So think about that. Okay, great. So brilliant. I believe sentence has been made by you. And as I said, it's so easy to go and search and all and make sentence, then there's no point in learning. This is a fabulous opportunity. So learn. We are here to help each other and we are here to learn. And if you learn, I'm sure you will be on the path where your learning will take to the next level. And I'm sure down the years, you will find that you are a very, very good listener and speaker as well. And then we will focus on writing and other things as well, which will be probably in a later session of English. Okay, when we have another session. Okay, brilliant, Lalita. So may I go with, may I go to Vaitishwaran now?
Hello, sir.
Hi, good evening, Vaitishwaran.
Good evening, sir.
How's the climate there? And where are you from actually? Which place?
Mayiladuthurai.
Mayiladuthurai.
No.
I think I've been there once, Mayiladuthurai. And Mayiladuthurai, some famous temple and other things are there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Brilliant. Yes, what's the sentence you made for us?
Preview. I have created a production tool for my process. Today I have showed preview in my team members. It's working fine.
Brilliant. Can you say that sentence again?
I have created production tool for my process. Today I have showed preview to my team members. It's working fine.
And it's working fine. Brilliant. Fabulous, Vaitishwaran. Very, very good one. Can we go to the next word, please?
Career. I feel happy to decide my career in developing field.
I feel happy.
Happy to decide my career in developing field.
Happy. I feel happy in.
To decide my career.
Okay.
In developing field.
I've decided to. What I think what you're saying is that you've chosen a career where you develop. Correct.
In developing field, software developing field.
Okay. Inna Tamil solla mudiyuma. I'll let you understand. That's okay.
Software developing field select பண்ணது happier.
Okay. I'm very happy with the career I've chosen.
Okay.
If there is a different meaning, tell me. I can correct that. If this is the intention of your sentence, then it's fine. I'm very delighted and happy to have chosen software development as my career.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
But full marks for your attempt. That's very, very good. So what's the next sentence? What's the last one you have for us?
I did not prepare, sir. Mindset.
Mindset. So you have opportunity like Lalita. Mindset is very, very easy. So just prepare. I'll come back to you. Hopefully I can come back to you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. So we go to, how about Vinaya Puja?
Hi, sir.
Vinaya Puja. Hi, Vinaya Puja.
Hi, sir.
Okay, please, you know what is the task here?
Mindset, sir.
Okay, the 3 words. So yeah,
As everybody has a different mindset.
everybody have a different mindset. Okay.
Career. I begin my career right after college.
You begin your career right after college. Brilliant. Very good.
Preview, I don't know.
Okay, make that preview one, right? So make that preview one very simple one. So just, so I'll come back to you. Then can we go to Vinay Shetty now, please?
Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you? Please, your sentences.
Career. My career in Desi Group past 10 years. Correct?
Okay. Okay, my career in Desi Group for past 10 years. My career in Desi Group for past 10 years. How do you make this change? My career with Desi Group for past 10 years. I have a good career with Desi Group for past 10 years. Or for a decade, I have a good career with Desi Crew for past 10 years. I have a career with Desi Crew for past 10 years. I have a probably, see, this is professionals also has a meaning of career as well. Profession is also there, right? So career is like, another word, but there is a limitation how we can use this word, right? So what you can do is that if you add a good there in before, I have a good or an excellent career with Desi Crew for past 10 years, that makes the sentence look better.
Okay, sir.
Okay, brilliant. So can we go to the next one?
Mindset.
Okay.
Mindset is a collection of beliefs.
Absolutely brilliant. Mindset is the collection of belief.
Beliefs and thoughts.
Superb. Very nice.
And preview, it is advanced showing like pictures, play, etc.
Okay.
It means, sir, another sentence in textbook of school, preview are given in front of the lesson.
Okay, brilliant. So I'll just try and make some sort of modification, Vinaya.
Okay, sir.
Can you say the last, the first sentence? Can you just read that for me, please?
Which one, sir? Preview.
Preview's first sentence which you made.
It is an advanced showing of picture.
Okay. Now, what you're trying to tell here is that you're telling the meaning of preview. Correct? Is that what you're saying? Okay. आपको हिंदी आता है क्या?
हिंदी नहीं सर.
ठीक है, no problem. थोड़ा नहीं चलेगा. Okay. नहीं आता. Okay. So now what you're trying to say is that you are trying to give a meaning of preview. So if you want to give a meaning of the preview is a sample of the actual event. I to say that preview is a sample of the actual event. You're trying to define the meaning of, see, you're defining the word. Like I say mindset. Mindset is like what you think from your mind. I'm defining mindset. If I say, for example, global is which is around the world. I'm giving a definition for that word. So I think you are giving a definition for preview. So what you're trying to say is that preview is a sample of actual event. You can use that, right? So that's good. Good try. Okay. What is the next one? Can you read the next sentence? Preview's last sentence.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
In textbook of school, preview are given in front of the lesson.
Absolutely. So in school textbook, preview is given in front of the lesson. Okay. You can just add one thing. In school textbook, preview in the form of index, it is called as index. Preview in the form of index, meaning in the form of index is given in the front thing, whatever you say.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that is called as index. So that is nothing but the preview of what are the lessons inside. Brilliant.
Okay, sir.
What we said? You understood, Vinaya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, brilliant. Very good attempt, and very nice that you had a backup as well for preview. You made two things. Okay, and Vinaya, I'll tell you, because as I said the other day as well, you come from a lot of experience, right? So
yes,
this is just an attempt. If you keep making this attempt, we are talking about writing, but as I said, no more of listening and speaking, you're good. So only practice is what you require. Rest, then you have the maturity where you will be able to carry it on. So that is something, a tip I can give you at this point of time, right? So I just want to share with you. Okay, great, brilliant attempt. Okay, so whom shall we go now? Arati Jaya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Arati, you promised you will have your camera and all sorted out today. What happened? You said yes. Okay, brilliant. So as promised, that's what I was thinking. Okay, brilliant. If you don't have any network issue, it's okay. See, you can see others, like others also switch off the camera. You can't see them. We saw Vinaya, we saw Lalita, we saw Vaitishwaran, right? You're seeing me. Okay, brilliant. So, Aarti, you were there yesterday. So, can we hear your sentences, please?
Yeah, okay. First one is preview. I want to give my preview next week about my project in front of my guide.
Okay, I want to give the project to my guide next week. Okay, fine, brilliant.
Second one is career. My career is more important other than else.
Repeat it again, please. My career is more important.
Other than else.
My career is more important other than?
Yes.
No, I don't understand what you're trying to say. My career is more important?
Other than else, sir. ELS.
Other than anything else. Tamil தானே?
Yes, sir.
எனக்கு என்னோட வேலை மத்த எந்த விஷயத்தோட ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் அதுதானே சொல்ல வரீங்க? இல்ல வேற என்ன சொல்ல வரீங்க?
அதுதான் சார்.
Absolutely. So for me, career is more important than anything else. For me, career is more important than anything else in life also, you can say, or anything else also. You can say. Okay, brilliant. What's the next answer? Next sentence.
Mindset.
Okay.
Yeah. Steve Jobs was not a technical wizard, but he thoroughly understood the mindset of the people.
You have to repeat. I'm finding it difficult to hear. Please repeat what you said.
Steve Jobs was not a technical wizard, but he thoroughly understood the mindset of the people.
Fine. Okay, great attempt. So we will do it as an exercise as well, because if I start doing that, then I might have to spend a lot of time on that. I really appreciate that you have started doing that. So we are getting into a cycle of making this sentence every day. So we are getting new words. So brilliant. Then I'll also, one day I'll be probably making a bit of correction. A lot of sentences are right. Somewhere you might need help. Brilliant. Aarti, fabulous. And so Bhavya, Bhavya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, brilliant. Can we all see you, please? Like others? Okay, right. Brilliant. Sorry, we thought that it's your end, the microphone, some issue and all. It was some problem with the Google Meet itself. Okay, fine. So, you know the words. Please give us your sentence.
Okay, sir. Preview. I launched a new movie. I want to show a preview in front of my friends.
Okay, you launched a new movie. You want to show the preview in front of your friends. Okay, brilliant. What's the next one? We can't hear you. Your audio is gone. Yeah.
I have started a new career life in Desi Crew Solutions.
Okay, I've started a new career with Desi Crew. So you can make, I have started a new career with Desi Crew. With Desi Crew. Okay, brilliant.
Mindset. Peaceful mindset is good for human beings.
Brilliant. Peaceful mindset is good for human being. Peaceful mindset is good for human being. See, when we are talking, thank you, Bhavya. Thank you very much. You can go on mute and you can keep your camera on because you look like there is all fine. So leave your camera on if you can so that we can everybody can see each other. Okay. Aarti as well. Same goes to Aarti as well. Okay. Now, let me tell you, when you have some difficulty in forming a sentence and all, keep it simple. Keep it simple. Don't use complicated word. And sometimes you might be thinking in your language and translating and all. So let me not do that. That is there in the lesson plan. I'll not go there. That we will cover there. But keep it simple. That's what I'll say. Keep it simple. Keep it short. Use simple words, and your thing will come fine. So that's something I would like to say. Also, when you're speaking, what you do is that you start speaking. Complete the sentence. That is very important. Like, for example, I say, what is your name? My name is Vaikishuran. Like I said, my name is Lalita. What did you have for lunch? I had this for my lunch. Where did you go? So that will also look your thing complete. So that is another thing. I believe we have, I think, Sumena, I didn't speak to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sumena, please.
First word preview. In our company, before starting Zomato process, our trainer gave the preview of our process. It was very nice.
Fabulous, Sumena. Fabulous. Well thought out. Well thought. Very good. Next.
Next one, career. In some city, people are not interested in agriculture career.
Okay. People living in city are not interested to choose agriculture as their career. Brilliant. Fabulous. Fabulous. Very good. Very good. Next.
Mindset. Before starting any work, we have to concentrate our mindset. Concentrate on our mindset. And for some people's, in the sad situation, very difficult to control their mindset.
Okay. Before you start any work, you have to focus on your mindset. And sometimes when you're sad, you can't focus on the mindset. Brilliant. Brilliant. Fabulous, Sumena. Very, very good. A lot of beautiful sentences have come from you, right? And many other participants as well. Thank you very much, Sumena. Right. So now, see, I will also thought about one thing. I'll not make a lot of correction at this point of time, because then you should not come thinking, oh, he's going to correct this, he's going to correct that and all. Come with your flow. Then once we get into this is just the first week. Actually, this is just the third day. So probably next week on all, I'll start making this correction. We'll make few errors I've noted. I'm not going to say that singular, plural, those kind of a thing, that I'll correct it now. I want you to come with sentence, even if it is right or wrong, come with your thought process and come and share here. That is very, very important. And when you're sharing here, you're getting confidence, right? So that is another very, very important thing. So you may not have spoken like in a situation like this before, where there are 10 people and then you have to talk in English, right? Maybe you would have, maybe you wouldn't have. So this is a brilliant opportunity. So with that, I believe, have I spoken to everybody? Is there someone whom I haven't spoken? I believe, is there anyone whom I haven't spoken? Have I spoken with Shushma Shetty?
No, sir.
Yes. So you should say, sir, you didn't speak to me, please.
Okay, sir.
Shout. You should shout. Okay, fine. Why did you switch off your camera?
Sorry, sir.
You switched off the camera. Okay, be on there and then we will, yeah, brilliant. Carry on.
Sir, preview. I like to watch the preview of the film.
You would like to watch the preview of the film. Maybe you want to check whether it's good or not, and then you would like to see. Otherwise, why should we waste money and time? Brilliant. Fantastic.
Okay. Career. I would like to choose my career which is suitable for me.
Okay, I would like to choose a career which is suitable for me. Very good. Brilliant. Next.
Mindset. My mindset may change depending on my mood.
It does, actually. Mood is something which swings up and down sometimes, so you can't do that. All brilliant thing, Shushma. You have kept it very simple and very, very straight. So that's brilliant. Okay. So I believe we have completed everybody, and I don't think anybody else is left. Okay, brilliant. So this was a great activity. We did. How did you all feel? Was it nice?
Nice, sir.
Nice. Okay, brilliant. So we will keep doing this, right? So this will definitely improve. One is your writing and your thought process, because you're thinking in English now. Then, of course, your speaking ability. So this is something which we have already started. With that, I have lesson plans which I'll be covering as well. Okay. So now what I would do is that, as I said, let's go to what I have to share with you. I'll share my screen with you now. Okay, so I believe everybody is able to see my screen, and you my screen. Yes. Okay, brilliant. Right. So this is precisely what we are going to talk now. Right. So this is about. Let me see whether my camera is on. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. So this is precisely what we are going to do now today. Just two important things. This is very important. See, this is all about, I'm creating a kind of a thing in your mindset. We spoke about this word mindset. I'm creating a mindset for you now. This is very, very important, right? Especially for learners. So, because why I'm saying this is that a lot of people, they think English is something which has come from heaven, which is not there in this world. Like if you speak English, you are like, what do you call, the king, thing like that. Many people, I'm not saying all of them think like that. There are many who think like that. So then what happens is that we give so much importance to that particular thing. For example, if tomorrow there is an event where you have to speak, then you are thinking too much, you're losing your thing and all, and tomorrow what will happen? You become nervous. So let me tell you, because this language is not that different than any other language. This is also one language, right? So the thing is that why people find it difficult, because they are not used to it much. Now with this much of little bit of practice or this much of thought where you're given an environment, we have created kind of an environment for past 3 days. You're making such lovely, beautiful sentences and you're bringing it here. So what if it was done for months and months, then years? Do you think we all would have been in a much, much better situation? Yes or no? Okay, let me ask Sumaina. Sumaina, the efforts which we are putting now in the class, if we had put this effort for past, say, probably 3 years or 4 years, then wouldn't we be speaking in a better thing and understanding better and writing better? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely. So English is not something which is not conquerable. Conquerable meaning which cannot be conquered, which cannot be won. No, it's not like that. Which cannot be won. No, it is not. It's just a language. It's just another language, like your Kannada or my, I'm from Tamil Nadu, my Tamil, or maybe if someone is in North, Hindi, just another language. Only thing is that we haven't used it much because there was a subject called English. But what happened is that maybe many of us would have studied in our local dialect, meaning vernacular, maybe in Kannada, maybe some would have studied in Tamil itself. Now what happens is that even science, they are writing in Tamil, right? Maybe geography, they're writing in Kannada. Then they didn't have then practice to think in this language, write in this language, speak in this language, right? So then suddenly what happens when after colleges come, or maybe after 12th, or maybe after 10th, they move to English. So that becomes very difficult for them. And even if your form of communication was English only, but still what is happening is that you haven't used this language much. Maybe one subject I used it, but I didn't use it much. I didn't speak much. I didn't listen much. Then what happens is that it becomes like a mountain, right? And so this is one particular very, very important thing. A lot of people, they think that English is difficult. So take that off your mindset. Take that off your mind. This is not a language which is like something out of heaven. This is another language. But of course, unless and until we put efforts, we put practice, we start listening, we start speaking, the improvement may not happen. As I said, this journey is for 8 weeks, and you stop with this journey after 8 weeks, then that journey will stop there. It will be there for some time, and after that, it will go away, right? But unless and until this has been carried over a period of time, if your mindset says, let's do that, there is a lot of benefit for me, then I'm sure you will be able to see the success. So that is one thing, right? Another very important thing is that someone, there are some who will say that, sir, English is foreign language, right? We already said English is not a foreign language. It's been there in the country for a long, long time. Even Constitution is saying English is one of the official language, right? So it's not a foreign language anymore, right? And there are a lot of local dialects, right, which is used in English. For example, in Tamil Nadu, Vaitishwaran, what is a bus called in Tamil Nadu?
TNSTC.
That's the name of the corporation. But what is bus called?
Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation.
Okay. But when, for example, do we call bus as bus? Or there is a Tamil word?
English.
Do we call bus as bus, or there is a Tamil word? புரிஞ்சுச்சா? தமிழ்நாடுல இப்போ நான் வந்து பஸ்ல போகணும்னா நான் பஸ் சொல்றேன்னா வேற ஏதாவது சொல்றேன்னா?
பஸ் தான் சொல்றேன்.
Okay, so that is what it is. In Lalita, in Karnataka, do we call bus as a bus, or we call something else?
No, sir. Bus as a bus.
Bus as a bus. Similarly, thank you, Lalita. Thank you, Vaitishwaran. Similarly, we call train as train. We call plane as plane. Right? There are school as school. College as college. So what are these? These are all English words. So somebody says that they don't know English, or this is something which this completely no. There are a lot of words which is there, which is English actually. Right? So that is something which these words are there mixed with our local dialects, local language. It is there a part of the local language, right? And then another thing is that if you look at the advertisements which comes on TV, what does the advertisement look like? There are a lot of advertisement which is like, for example, in Tamil Nadu, it might come some Tamil ad, but also in between English ad will come, or the subtitles will be in English. The product name is in English. If it is for example, washing powder will not be an Ariel washing powder in Tamil or maybe in Kannada. It will be a washing powder which will be written in English. The advertisement you would have seen. In TV, you would have seen. You would have seen a movie where they are using English, right? So all the commercial and also all the billboards. Billboards are like the advertisement board, which is there put on in a big way within a good model and all modeling for a product. So that is also written in English. So this is English is all around us. We can't escape. Even if you want to say that I want to escape, no, you can't, because it's all around us, right? So that is another thing. Then I talked about TV, right? There are a lot of things, debate which happens, the news which happens, all these things, a lot of English is used, right? if you listen to radio, there are a lot of radio announcement and other things which happens in English. The RJ herself or himself use a lot of English language, right? So that is another thing. You might have seen a lot of videos on your WhatsApp. Now everybody have a smartphone. So there are a lot of local videos which comes, but there are a lot of very, very nice, absolutely good videos also comes, which comes in English as well. I'm sure all of you would have received that. You would have gone through that. So that is English, right? Another thing is that SMS which you send. Now people don't send SMS much, so because of WhatsApp. So whatever you're writing in the WhatsApp, again, if you're writing in the WhatsApp, it is in English, right? So if you're listening to some songs and all, those could be in English. Even in the song, there are a lot of English stuff which is used, right? And then, of course, as I said, you studied in school and college. That's another benefit. So the basic point which has been tried to give here is that don't think English is something which is like a completely a different language. We don't, it's like a completely unknown or an alien language. It is a part of our own thing, right? It's a part and parcel of our, the life, day-to-day life, right? So have that mindset. So once we have that mindset, then it will become, it's so, oh, it's there every day. Okay, fine, great. So this is something which I can easily do that. So that mindset will come. Okay. So now what we will do is that we will go to the next slide. So let's see what is there on the next slide. So this is precisely on the similar line. Can anyone read for me what is written here? Anyone can volunteer? Anyone? Okay, Lalita, can you read it?
Yes, sir. Importance of confidence in speaking a language less used by us.
Okay, brilliant. Fabulous. Thank you very much, Lalita. Okay, so let's open this to you. Do you think confidence is very important? I'm giving it to you. Let's debate about this. Confidence is important for speaking. What do you think? I'm throwing this question to all the participants now.
Yes, sir. Confidence is more important.
Okay, brilliant, Lalita. Yes, confidence is? Is confidence only required for English, Lalita?
No, sir. Every language.
Every language. So this is not only for English, but probably in English, sometimes we feel little bit hesitant. So that's why we might be a little bit less confident and all. Okay, so that's one. Okay, but I'll also give you a tip. Whatever you talk with confidence. That's very important because we are learning, especially in the class now. Okay, that's very important. Right. So Shushma, since I called your name, so Shushma, what do you think about confidence, role of confidence in anything in life, apart from that language as well? What do you feel like?
Sir, confidence is very important, sir. In order to be successful in our life, confidence is one of the best thing which we should adopt ourselves, sir.
Brilliant, Shushma. In order to, I like that word very much. In order to, look very, very brilliant, very, very nice. In order to do, and that's brilliant. Okay, so that is precisely what it is. Great. So we've got very good speakers there in our group itself. That's very nice, very encouraging. Okay, so this is precisely what it is. So let's see what this particular slide has. Then we will think of some words for tomorrow's activity as well. So let's continue this activity, which is very, very nice of making sentence. Okay, so importance of confidence in speaking any language. As Shushma said, as Lalita said, because confidence is so important in your life itself, right? So there are two ways. One, you can do it confidently, or one you can do without confidence. Now, when you do without confidence, what will happen is that there are a lot of errors which you will commit, right? So there will be a lot of errors which you will commit, right? But that may not happen when you do it confidently, because your mind is like, it's all a chemical in your mind, right? So when you're nervous, there is a chemical which is released in your mind and you feel nervous, and automatically the sweat starts coming. It might be November, December, very chill, but you might be sweating, right? Right. So this is all like in your thing. So when you become confident, that boosts your confidence, or maybe when you're confident, that you get the kind of a boost, and automatically things starts coming, your mind starts opening up and all, right? So that is very, very well said. Confidence is a very, very important thing for speaking any language, right? Even in local language, if you see, maybe in Kannada, Tamil or Hindi, there might be some people who might be talking, they may not be talking very confidently, they will be not sure, maybe the mind is processing that way, so they're not confident, right? But especially when you're talking in a language which is less used by you, so this is very, very important, even more important, because when you speak like that, then what happens is that your mind opens up. You're able to concentrate, you're able to use the right word. You might know that word, but you might be, the mind will little slightly blocked, so you're not using that word, right? So those are the things. So then the flow will come, you will put on a little bit of smile, you will not be worried about people, right? You will not be worried about other scenario and all. Okay, I know that, I'm learning, I might make some mistake, that's fine, I'm learning, right? So these things will open up in your mind. So that is very, very important, right? Another thing is that, so as I said, I asked Lalita, is confidence required only in English? She said no, in any language. That's precisely what it is. Confidence is required for any language you speak. Okay, and confidence is very important to think, as I said now, clearly and articulate. Okay, brilliant. We have got the first word for this one. It's a very, very good word. So I'm giving it to you to make in sentence. So I will write it here for you, right? I'm writing this word, articulate. Make a note of it. First word is articulate. Okay, articulate. So anyone, what they know about articulate? Articulate is like how you can do something very beautifully, how you can articulate, like a lot of good speakers are there, no? So what they do is that they speak something very nicely compared to others. So how do they do? Because they are able to articulate it very well, they are able to say it very well, they are able to say it with confidence, they are able to say it with example, they are able to say with a little bit of humor, right? All these things, right? So then what happens is that they are able to, what we call is that we call them, they're able to articulate it well. They're able to articulate it well. So if suppose somebody is using this word in the sentence, he's a great articulator, because he articulates his thought very well, right? He articulates his thought very well, right? So these kind of a sentence can be made. The music director articulated, or maybe the film director articulated the scene so nicely to the actor. Articulated how you have to act. This is an emotional scene, you have to do this, that. So what is he doing? Articulation. Even a music composer, what is he doing? Articulating. Maybe not the right word, but still, he's like articulating everything, right? So this is the first word. So like confidence will be, it will give you kind of a boost where you can articulate what you want to say, how you want to say, how confidently you want to say. And also your tone is very important, right? Tone is very important. Someplace, it's not like shouting, or sometimes what happens is that if you're talking very, very slowly, according to the occasion, right? Then your tone has to be slightly. So your tone is also giving you kind of a confidence. So these are the things when you are free, no? I know you all are busy, you have work, you have to take care of your things and all, I completely agree. But be a bit selfish. I told you the first day as well, be a bit selfish for yourself. That bit of extra time, that bit of extra thing which you can do, probably see this, do that and all in English, so it should be there in your mind, right? So then what will happen is that when you're talking confidently, it will be articulated well. You will be able to express well. You will be able to communicate well. You will be able to effectively say. Suppose I say something to Sumaina. So my thing to Sumaina is that I should say in a way that Sumaina is convinced. Ah, sir, 100% we will do. So what I'm saying is that it's an effective communication, right? I am created enough interest in Sumena. Sumena also understands the importance of it, and Sumena is willing to do that. So that completes the communication circle. So for that, articulation will come, confidence is here, and I'm able to form that language. Of course, the communication happens through the language. So, right, so that will also be helpful for communication as well, right? Effectively, that's what they say, effective communication. What is effective communication? What is non-effective communication? Non-effective communication is that your communication is not yielding result. So all the effective communication will yield result? No. Because as we say, clapping is both the hand, right? You can encourage the other person, but other person has to get encouraged from within to do that as well. But what we are trying to say is that if you're articulating enough, if you are effectively communicating, the message will go, the message will reach. Now it's up to the person how to take it up. You've completed the entire circle in terms of saying what you have to say, how you have to say, how in fact motivating and all. Okay, and what will happen is that result. So this will yield the results as well. So this is probably what this particular stuff will do in terms of confidence. So for anything, when you're learning anything, especially for language, this particular thing, let's stick with English because we are there in English. This confidence is the key. So you have to boost your confidence. You have to say, yes, this is something which I really want to do. That's why I put something known as what's in it for me. Why should I do that? What is in it for me, right? So that's something which you should keep asking in terms of short term and long term, because once your mindset is for 100%, then no one can stop you, right? I also have a lot of videos which I'll show one by one. Let's not show all the videos. So I will be sharing videos of people who started very humbly. So humbly is another word which you can take. I'll probably write it down. Humble, right? Humbly. So that is something which I will write for you. And so you can also take this word and you can make an meaning. Okay. The second word, humbly. Humbly is nothing like modest. Hey, you won this award. Great. No, that was okay. So I'm very modest. So he had a humble beginning, and today he owns a company. Meaning he started very in a normal way. But today he owns a company. He started in a humble way, but he owns a company. He started the restaurant in a humble way, but today he owns a hotel. The people who are humble in their life are the one who achieve success. Sometimes we get a little bit of success, we say that, this and everything, but the people who are humble, they achieve bigger success. So the same word, different meaning. One is like humble, meaning the person. Another humble is like the feeling, right? He is a big shot, but he is very humble in life. So this is another word which I would share with you. So these are the two words. I'll probably share one more word. Can anybody give a word? For tomorrow's thing? Any word? No word? Okay, I'll give you a word. I'll give you another word. And I'll give you a word called as spontaneous. So this is another word I'll give you now. So I'll give you a word called as spontaneous. So spontaneous is like something which happens very rapidly, right? Something which happens very rapidly. Don't think it's a very, very big word. This is a simple word, spontaneous. So let's take this word. And if you come across some very nice word, bring it as assignment. You say to me, sir, this is a good word, right? Can we make in kind of a sentence? Others can also benefit. So it's, definitely we can do. So I've given another word, spontaneous. Spontaneous is like impulsive, very immediately. There was an accident on the road. The man runs spontaneously to help the person. Spontaneous, instant. I asked a question. The participant spontaneously replied immediately. Right? Spontaneous. Don't think this is a difficult word. Very, very simple word. And also, as I said, if you have any difficulty, you use this Pocket Dynamo. We have one complete half-an-hour class for this, how you can use this. I'm saying the word spontaneous. Just see what it does. I'm sure you all would have used it. Spontaneous.
This is the definition of spontaneous. Performed or occurring as a result of a sudden impulse or inclination and without premeditation or external stimulus.
Everybody heard this? Is it a great tool? What do you think? What do you think, Vinaya J? Is it a great tool, this mobile?
Sorry, sir?
Do you think this mobile is a great tool to learn?
Yes, sir.
Brilliant. This mobile is a fantastic tool, which was not there some, even, see, after internet only things started opening up. Mobile was there in 2098 and all those things as well. But after this internet, which has come now, internet has become very cheap as well. That's why we are sitting in a class like this. We are attending a session. You are sitting at one place, Vaitishwaran somewhere, and you people all from Kapu in another place, right? So that is the thing. But the same phone can also be used for learning as well. And the only thing what you need is a little bit of time. I'm sure, right? So that time, or if you come across any word, let's talk about the word now. Any word, there's a Google thing. I'll tell you how to use this. I'm sure all of you might know, some of you might know. Go there and speak. And that's it, the word will come. It will give you, you don't have to read it also. There will be someone who will be reading the word for you, Alexia, or whatever she is. And she will read the thing and she will tell you. And you got, and once you, I hope, I'm sure all of you are writing in the notebook. So these are the words, don't forget these words, right? These are golden words. I'll tell you, once you start doing it for some time, then it will become a kind of a habit. It will become a habit. So to develop a habit is difficult. Once you get into a good habit, it will not also leave you. So that is precisely what this will do for you in the long run. Right, so we have, with this, we have almost come to an end of this session. We have just got a couple of minutes. So let me go to those who are there, whose camera is not on, and let me ask their opinion about today's class. So that will be also an activity, which we will be kind of an activity which we will to involve them as well. Okay. So, Bhavya Bhatt.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, what did you learn today? How was it? Bhavya? Bhavya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I asked a question. You understood the question?
Yes, sir.
What are the big takeaway from today's class? What have you learned? The big takeaway, big one thing you have to say, which you learned from today's session. Okay, if you're with your baby, okay. Fine. So, okay, think about this. I'm going to ask you tomorrow. What is the learning which you can take away from today's thing? And I hope you would have, you can go on mute if you want. And you can also ensure that you would have got this, the 3 words which we have to make sentence. And so you can bring that as well. Okay, so with that, actually we have come to an end of this session. It is that time of the day, but it's 7:30. So all I can say is that I wish you all a good evening. And so I'm glad we had a great day today. And I was very, very happy with all your sentences which you made. And so we will get better and better. And you look at the end of 8th week. So we will be there somewhere, right? So that is something very important. Okay, so wish you all good evening. And can we all sign off with a big smile? Okay, we'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.
Bye, sir.
Bye Sumena, bye Vinayji,
Bye, sir.
bye Shushma.